survive audits, tax filings and vouching so viral. You see, MBAs landing high profile investment banking roles. मैंने भी तो इतना हार्ड वर्क किया, sacrifices किया, इतना slogging किया अपने CA के अंदर. Let's go. Let's understand why CAs can kill it in investment banking if they know how to play the game. You burned the midnight oil, fought through CA final, survived audits, tax filings and vouching so viral. But deep down you know this isn't enough. You don't want to check the numbers. You want to create them. You see MBAs landing high profile investment banking roles and you wonder why not me? मैंने भी तो इतना हार्ड वर्क किया, sacrifices किया, इतना slogging किया अपने CA के अंदर, तो मुझे क्यों नहीं investment banking के roles मिलते हैं? Well, good news. CAs can break into investment banking and not just break into it, they can also dominate. But if you think passing CA final alone will get you there, wake up. Stay till the end because I'm about to lay down the exact roadmap to move from spreadsheets to billion-dollar deals, a career in investment banking. So hit like if you are done with just auditing and want to level up. Let's go. Let's understand why CS can kill it in investment banking. And I mean literally kill it. Because most people think that investment banking is only for IM grads. But let's bust that myth and expose the facts. CAs have the strongest of foundations. Financial statements, you all read them like a novel. Valuations, you've done them for audits. Mergers and acquisitions and due diligence, it's literally a part of your articleship training. So why do MBAs get the investment banking jobs over chartered accountants? Because they know how to sell themselves and they understand financial modeling and deal structuring. But let me tell you the secret. Many investment banks approach the Wall Street School to hire specifically chartered accountants who are passed out from us. You know why? Because investment banks love CAs if they know how to play the game. So let's cut the chase and here's how you got to do it. You have a very powerful degree of a chartered accountancy. So let's talk of the exact skills you need to get into investment banking. Because forget audit and forget taxation, in investment banking, it's all about valuations. So first thing first, financial modeling and valuations. This is your first ticket to it. Learn to build discounted cash flow models, trading comps, and precedent transaction analysis from scratch. Master LBO modeling. Private equity firms pay top dollars for this. Get hands-on experience with deal structuring and term sheets. Investment banking process understand inside out. How does a merger and acquisition deal actually happen? How are the IPOs priced? What is the rationale of making valuations of particular companies? How do you arrive at a fair valuation of a stock? How do you build models from scratch? What happens in debt restructuring? How do you make pitch books and presentations? Make your work sell because they know how to present. You got to learn to build killer investment banking memos and pitch decks. Also, how to use AI to make your presentations better. Without these skills, your CA degree alone is just another piece of paper. Because the normal mindset is that CA is just meant to do audit or just taxation or just accounting work. That is why it is called chartered accountancy. That mindset is of an accountant. So what should be the roadmap for CAs to get into investment banking? Let's talk of campus placements. In the last so many years of Institute of Chartered Accountants of campus placements, not even a single investment bank comes for an investment banking profile. Yes, they do come, but for the same audit, same taxation, same accounting roles, not specifically for investment banking. So first step is you got to master the financial modeling and investment banking concepts. If you can't talk in models, you won't be able to make past the first call. Enroll in a hardcore investment banking training program. Live hands-on training is the best. Next is you got to understand and practice real case studies. Forget theory, build models, do valuations from scratch. Showcase your credentials on LinkedIn, your work, because personal branding does matter. Make your CVs very professionally. Because that's the first step. One of the things with CA fraternity is कि यार वो उनको अपने आप को सेल करना नहीं आता. वो शायद कंसेप्चुअली अच्छे होंगे लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं पर उनमें वो वाला फैक्टर नहीं है कि मैं वो प्लीजिंग हो या प्रेजेंटेबल हो या कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा हो. वो एक नॉर्मल माइंडसेट होता है सीएस के साथ. दे वांट टू नो कैन यू क्लोज डील्स एंड दैट रिक्वायर्स योर कंप्लीट पर्सनैलिटी एंड जस्ट नॉट योर amazingness with the numbers. Highlight financial modeling and valuations and any merger या acquisition experience or exposure that you have. CA rank से शायद फर्क नहीं पड़ता है और CA ranks है तो बहुत ही अच्छा, लेकिन आपके पास वो प्रैक्टिकल स्किल सेट होना ही पड़ेगा। कोशिश करो कि आपको कहीं ना कहीं पर इस डोमेन में इंटर्नशिप मिल जाए आपके आर्टिकलशिप के लास्ट ईयर में, अगर पॉसिबल हो तो। जो 3 सालों का आर्टिकलशिप होता है, नहीं होता फिर भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि काफी सारे इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक्स हैं who are actually opening up doors for chartered accountants to go and get into those domains because conceptually you are second to none. Attend finance events, investment banking webinars, फॉलो रिक्रूटर्स कमेंट्स ऑन लिंक्डइन। कितने सारे पोस्ट आते हैं लिंक्डइन के ऊपर जिसमें आपको चाहिए चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स। अपने एंड पे ट्राई कीजिए अप्लाई करने का। अब तो ओपनिंग अप हो रही है, सीएस की डिमांड बढ़ते जा रही है इस डोमेन के अंदर। सही फर्म्स को चुनिए जिसमें आपका रनवे स्ट्रॉन्ग हो। काफी बार सीएस को होता है कि आई वांट टू गेट इनटू बिग फोर्स। बिग फोर्स में ऑडिटिंग प्रोफाइल के अलावा भी उनका एक ट्रांजैक्शन एडवाइजरी वर्टिकल होता है, टैक्स वर्टिकल। इन टैक्स वर्टिकल that is where the role is typically of a consultant for an investment banking role. Those are good profiles to get into. अब अप्लाई कहाँ पे कर सकते हैं? जैसे इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक्स है, कोटेक है, एवेंडस है, जेएम फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज है, एडिलवाइस है। These are proper Indian investment banks जहां पर इस तरह का काम होता है। या मर्जर एंड एक्विजिशन एडवाइजरीज होती हैं, पीई फंड्स हैं जैसे ट्रू नॉर्थ है, केकेआर है, ब्लैकस्टोन है, बियरिंग कैपिटल इक्विटी है। काफी सारे कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस रोल्स होते हैं इन लार्ज कंपनीज लाइक टाटाज में है, रिलायंस में है, अदानीज में है। और इन तरह में जो वर्टिकल होता है वो फाइनेंस का होता है। अब एक चीज समझिए, अगर आप ऑडिट में रहेंगे, टैक्सेशन में रहेंगे, अकाउंटिंग में रहेंगे, दिस विल ऑलवेज बी अ सपोर्ट फंक्शन फॉर एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। बट इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग इज मोर ऑफ ए प्रॉफिट सेंट्रिक रोल फॉर एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। तो इसलिए ग्रोथ की जो ट्रैजेक्टरी होती है वो जियोमेट्रिक होती है। और किस तरह के इंटरव्यूज पूछे जाते हैं ब्रॉड लेवल पे, एंड आई एम सेइंग दिस विद एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ हैविंग ट्रेन्ड लॉट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स इन द लास्ट 20 years or so. They test you hard. They know कि आपको ऑडिट आता है, but can you build a model in 30 minutes from scratch? And I can maybe discuss with you and lay down a list of technical questions which are asked, like walk me through a DCF valuation. How would you value a loss-making company? What's the difference between EV by EBITDA, EV by EBIT, and a PE ratio? And then they'll ask you behavioral questions like investment banking में क्यों जाना है after CA? Tell me about a time you worked for 80 plus hours in a week. कितना घिसा है आपने? और CS में अगर आपने किया है तो you have passed through that trial by fire. बंदा में कुछ तो है. That's why it's very powerful degree. And they will ask you about some market-based questions like give me 3 major merger and acquisition deals which have happened in India in the last 6 months. What is the future of capital market? Stock markets क्या लगता है कहाँ पे जाएंगी? So now think through it कि in your CA degree में आपने इसके ऊपर कितना प्रिपेयर किया है और आप इस तरह के आंसर्स के लिए आप कितने प्रोफेशनल हैं और कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हैं कि आप ये कर पाएंगे या नहीं कर पाएंगे। एक harsh truth देता हूं about CA versus MBA in investment banking. You want to compete with the IIMs people as chartered accountants? Fine. They have 2 advantages over you. One is they have a structured placement program. 2 is they have confidence and better presentation skills than chartered accountants have. लेकिन ये सोच के देखो कि उनके पास क्या नहीं है। शायद उनके पास वो फाइनेंशियल डेप्थ नहीं है जो एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के पास होती है for all the entire grind of 3 years of articleship that you have gone through. And your ability to dissect numbers at a forensic level. वो ऑडिट वाला फील जो आता है. And the Wall Street School, there are abundant placement opportunities for CAs. मतलब lot of companies, as I said, who want to look at the CVs of people, specifically chartered accountants who are a pass from the Wall Street School. And कितनी सारी firms हैं who look forward to candidates who are a pass from us. And do check the placement page on a website. It's a live update of different people getting placed in different companies, and most of them are either CAs or CA final students. समझ के देखिए कि investment banking isn't for the faint-hearted. It's for those who thrive under pressure, who chase the deal, who think like deal makers. The choice is yours. Keep doing audit work, taxation work, support role, or break into investment banking. Work on billion-dollar deals and 10x your career. Because this sort of a career is intellectually more stimulating and financially more rewarding. And if you're serious about investment banking career, drop in a yes in the comments below. If you feel you have it in you, we in the Wall Street School have you covered.